Demon in the private part. Watch what happens. Fire! 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 Come out from the private. Come out from the private. Come out from the private. Come out. Out from the private. Go, 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 go. Look that demon. Look, oral sex. Oral sex demon. You see oral sex. Look, oral sex. Look. You oral sex. Use oral sex. Let that sperm of that man out. Out. Out, you demon. Out. Let go. You
delivered me 2 Sundays back, then a demon came with his penis and put it in my mouth. And then he came again and he slept with me last week, and I told the pastor that I need deliverance again, and since then my private part has been itching.
You've been itching?
Yes.
Okay. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Speak. Who are you? Take. Who are you? Look at that demon. 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 Who are you? Who are you? Speak. Speak out. Who are you? Who are you? Jesus' name. You demon can help you. Yeah. Come up from the private part. What is your name?
Rosamond Daniel.
Rosamond Daniel. What happened to you today?
So you delivered me today, and then when I went to the bathroom, I think 15 minutes later, some white stuff came out with the blood after you sprayed.
Oh, come on, somebody. After I spray with the water,
yes.
After I spray, something came out white. Yes. Put your hands together. Hallelujah.